Tonya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another one of my favorite things. I'm hauling from Dollar Tree today. Okay, so we're past Christmas. We got it behind us. Oh my gosh. And we are Valentine's today. Not a big holiday for me, but I like to celebrate anything. I'll have a little excuse to do a little bit of something. So I picked up a few things. So I wanted to jump online and talk about it real quick before I set it all out. So I started with kitchen towels. I got all kinds of little fun, little patterns and things. Look so cute just to set out. Some of this I found on the Valentine's aisle. Some of it I found just sort of all over the place, including this little red kitchen mitt. It was not over by Valentine stuff, but it was red, so I picked it up. Of course, I did pick up ribbon, as much ribbon as I could find. Of course. And this one in particular, I've already taken it. I try to take it all apart so you guys can get a really good look. This little shimmer in pink, y'all, that is precious. You could use this at Valentine's, but also on packaging and all kinds of fun stuff. So I got this in the pink. I also got it in the red. It's wired, so it has a lot of movement. You can do a lot with it, but I just love the little shimmer sheen that's going on. I got several rolls of this. So these are actually napkin rings. They're just in the silver. Loved those. Most of my kitchen I try to do with a backdrop of a silver if I have to pick a metallic, and these were perfect. They're plastic. 6 came to a package. I was already starting to get them out when I decided to film, and so I'm missing the other 2, but package of 6 for $1. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, this, look cute. If I bought that in Hobby Lobby, that would be like $8 or $10, I bet. They had this in the silver, they had it in gold, and a red metallic when in my Dollar Tree. I also picked up, which I don't know if you're gonna see the reflection of all this business, but it is a silver rimmed little mirror that I saw over in the frame department, and I just loved it. So I picked this up. I might even use it more like a tray and set things on it, but it was perfect size. I thought that was really cute. Then I picked up a few of the little signs. This one is Follow Your Heart. It looks like, this is just MDF, but it looks almost like it's slapped with that weathered white, so looks really cute for me. And I loved it, Follow Your Heart. This gift wrap, which the glare may not be kind, but it is just a little hearts with silver and white and gray, which actually goes with my bedroom. Okay, so what I did was, this is just an IKEA frame that I had never actually put a photo in. Surprise, surprise. And I just cut some of the gift wrap paper and put it in. I just like to have little touches of Valentine's. These are little tea light holders that are 3 different sizes. So if I hold them, you can kind of tell the difference. I thought this looked great. I've seen things like this in the restaurant supplies and I'm not sure, Michael's at home, that type of place. So I thought that was a really good deal. I saw these in somebody else's haul and I went hunting for them. So I loved them. A couple of gift bags I did pick up. This one is so cute and it had a heart on it. So again, kind of Valentine's-y. I saw a video of another YouTuber that made a really fun craft out of this. If I can find it, I will link it below. I just got it because I like to stock up on gift bags. Speaking of which, I got this one because, yes, I go in for the swirls every time. If I see a swirl, I must buy it. And it's in silver. I figure this would be great for a wedding, could be good for a birthday, could be good for a lot of different things. So anytime that I see them, I try to just pick them up. As a matter of fact, probably in my next couple of videos, I will show you how I organize all my gift bags and all of my gift wrap and how I organize sort of my craftiness. And so that's coming soon to a video near you. Everybody has been hauling these little things. They are cute. I have not burned them, I'll tell you. This one is raspberry filled and this one says, I don't have my glasses on, roasted coconut. They both smell fantastic. I have very high expectations for these. Stay tuned, I'll let you know. Okay, next I bought these dish drying mats. I opened one up already so you could see the size. I bought them in black and in red. I'm going to do something a little different with them. So at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a quick little tour of how I set out some of this, just for little touches of Valentine's throughout the house. Okay, more ribbon, of course. I found the burlap in pink. So this was the first, I think, time that I have seen it in this particular pink. This is the same one that I keep talking about that's in the browns. It's more of a traditional burlap. I think I got it in the mint green, some blue turquoise. I love this ribbon. Again, it was over in the floral. It was not over in the Valentine section. As a matter of fact, I think it may have even been out near where the Easter is now. Last things that I got was this cute little bless your heart. I love this. You just set it out. It's just cardboard, MDF kind of stuff. They had several little varieties of this in the kind of different colors, but they all had something to do with the heart. And the last thing that I got was the favorite thing that I got, which was some new dinnerware. This is a black and white. It is stark white. I don't know if the camera can pick up on that or not, but I got the plate and I got just the bowl. They did have cups to match, but this looks really classic and just like something from Kate Spade. I thought it was adorable. I loved it. So I figured this would be a perfect time to sort of incorporate this for Valentine's. I can add some white and some red to it, and it would look good for lots of occasions. So I'm thrilled. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's, and we'll see you next time. Right past my entry, I have a small little table that I just put the Follow Your Heart white sign on, along with just a house plant that I have, and the Love little knick-knack in silver, and then a Bath & Body Works candle. In my kitchen, I have a baker's rack that I just wanted to add a little touch of Valentine, so I added the Dollar Spot Target little heart-shaped ramekin on the shelf, and then I added the red mitt from Dollar Tree. I already had an apron that was in the same color scheme, so I just put it on the same hook, and then I topped it off with a heart-shaped wreath that is the grapevine style, and placed that on top. I have a side table right by my kitchen that I put some fresh hydrangeas in a pitcher with a lantern that I already had from IKEA, also with the larger heart ramekin from the Dollar Spot at Target. Then on the other side of the table is a wood heart that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. The You Are My Most Favorite sign is from Target, also the Dollar Spot. And those 3 candle holders are from Dollar Tree that I hauled a while back on the tray that I just purchased. So over on my kitchen island, I went ahead and did some place settings, and I used the dish drying mats as my placemats. So I have it in red and I have it in black, and I alternated how I used my dishes with some different napkins that I already had. So this particular one is a polka dotted napkin, and I just put in a Valentine pick, and then I also finished it off with the napkin rings that I just did in my haul. And I just used different plates that I already had in the white, and I mixed some white plates with the black and white bowls, some black plates with the white bowls. And some of this I got it, some of the white I did get from Dollar Tree, and some of it I have gotten other places just throughout the years. But it looks really cute, I think, just to mix and match it all together. And then on every place setting, I put a silver charger that I also got from Dollar Tree, but I did order it from their website. You can order in bulk online, and I think that it turned out great. And then finally, I added a cocoa bar to my existing bar cart. I've had this up since Christmas with the little twinkle lights that are operated by a little battery pack, and I think it's still okay because it's really cold outside. I added the little bless your heart sign from Dollar Tree with some of the Valentine picks, also from Dollar Tree. And then I have some little black and white straws that are polka dot that I picked those up at Target. And then just the toppers for the cocoa, like marshmallows, cinnamon, some little chocolate shavings, things like that. And then I just put all of that into a little silver metallic basket and topped it off with the kitchen towels that I just got at Dollar Tree. So happy Valentine's, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. So bye now. Thanks for watching.
I mean, I'm so over it. You and me both, Sister Fran.